This, I'm going to do it using exponential rules. Let me draw a denominator here. Let me start by drawing out 2 times, let me draw 3 sixes. 6 to the third is 1. 2, 3, 4 fives, 5 fours I mean. So 4 to the fifth, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On the bottom, I'm going to draw a 4. 3 sixes. 1. 6 to the third goes 1, 2, 3. I'm going to draw 2 more 4s. 1, 2. Okay, let's start canceling out some numbers. There is a 2 on the top. There are no 2's in the denominators. We're going to leave that 2 alone. Cross out a 6, 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 cross out a 4, 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 cross out a 4. There is nothing left on the bottom, so I am going to put a 1 there. Here's what we have left. In the numerator, I have 2 times 1, 2, 4. So we're going to call that 2 times 4 to the second. In the denominator, I have 1. 4 to the second is 16. So I can call that 2 times 16 equals 32. So the final answer is I have 32. Let's do this another way. I am going to take a little liberty right here. I'm going to turn 4 into 2 to the second. So let me rewrite the top here. 2 times 6 to the third, and 4 is going to become 2 to the second, with the 5 still on the outside. In the denominator, I'm going to change that 4 into 2 to the second. 6 to the third is going to stay as it is. And 4 is going to become 2 to the second. That's going to be 2 to the second power. Let me first do a little bit of this. 6 to the third and 6 to the third can cancel out, because that's just going to give me 6 to the 0, or 1. Now, let me use the rule of powers. This becomes 2 times 10 to the 5, so this 2 is going to become 2 to the first power. If you don't see a power, call it the first. 2 to the second with the 5 at the outside becomes 2 to the 10th. So now I have 2 to the 10 times 2 to the 1 in the numerator. In the denominator, I'm going to do this. Same deal. We're going to have 2 to the second in the denominator. 2 to the second times 2 is going to become 2 to the fourth. So now we can do this. Let me crunch this a bit. 2 to the first times 2 to the 10th becomes 2 to the 11th. That's 2 to the 11th in the numerator. So 2 to the second times 2 to the 10. Sorry, 2 to the fourth that was. 4 plus 2 is 6, so that becomes 2 to the 6. Now let me use the rule of quotients. 2 to the 11 divided by 2 to the 6 becomes 2 to the 11 minus 6, which equals 2 to the 5th. 2 to the 5th is 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. The answer was 2 to the 5th or 32. I accept either answer. I will accept 2 to the 5th. I will accept 32.